BBC iPlayer. What, 50, 40 and a quarter. You're coming off at 50 and then you go back on. So you've got congestion back to 6 Slough, but you can get through. Sweet tarts, at least you're nice and dry in the car now. Slightly awkward. Bournemouth, Tom Roberts. Where are you off to, please? What are you doing this weekend, Tom?
I'm off to Weymouth in the caravan.
Yes. Oh, now then, you're going to a campsite, so you're not going to get washed away in a caravan, are you?
No, definitely not. Too old for all the things.
Who are you with, please?
My girlfriend Kirsty.
Very nice. Now, are you towing a caravan, or is there a nice static one waiting for you?
No, it's a tow.
Oh, very nice. How long you had it for?
About a year? Probably about a year, yeah.
Yeah, do you love it?
It's a start. we want to upgrade, but it's beginner's one, so...
Well, it's good, yeah. Start with a little one, and then before you know it,